It was then I realized that I needed expert help. So I asked Professor Christopher Cornford of the Royal College of Art, and he made a geometric analysis of the painting. Here's his original work. He found that the layout was controlled by a 5-pointed star, a pentacle. This surprised him, but he wasn't as surprised as I was. The pentacle had already surfaced in the parchment. This figure of the 5-pointed star had been growing in importance throughout the investigation. It had made yet another unexpected appearance when I'd been checking on the village's patron saint, Mary Magdalene. It seems that the medieval Kabbalists had given her, as her symbol in the heavens, the planet Venus. And as Venus revolves in her orbit, she makes 5 alignments with the Earth and the Sun. 5 regular and predictable alignments which describe a 5-pointed star. Venus is the only planet to draw a regular geometrical figure across the sky. It was intriguing to find that it was the very figure which had been surfacing in my researches. Now, Professor Cornford ended his report by saying that the shepherds of Arcadia was unexpectedly stressing the pentacle. Why not look in the landscape, he said. And that's when everything began to fall into place. At first, I couldn't think how to begin looking for a 5-pointed star in the landscape. But then I realized that the figure was made up of 5 overlapping triangles. A triangle should be easier to find. But a triangle of what? Perhaps there were 3 related things in the landscape. And then I remembered that the treasure story was revolving around 3 castles: Rennes-le-Château, Blanchefort, and Bézieux. And there it was. But what about the rest of the pentacle? And amazingly, the map already marked the other 2 points. There were no castles, nothing to mark the other 2 points of the pentacle, but each of them was on a natural mountain. Spot heights, the highest places in the locality. This was phenomenal. 5 natural mountain peaks laid out in a perfect 5-pointed star shape. The odds against this had to be literally astronomical. But the geometry proves to be more than just the 5 points of the pentacle. Beyond the Poussin tomb, we're led further into the mystery. So let's get back on the road.